Hello, my name is Abin and I am a student at Balaji University, Pune, currently pursuing my MBA in Supply Chain and Operations Management. An educational institute is as good as the education it is able to provide. At Balaji University, Pune, we have a mix of both in-house as well as visiting faculties. The conventional subjects that are part of the curriculum are taken by the in-house faculties, but then each specialization has subjects that requires the touch of someone who knows the industry and has been part of it. That is where the visiting faculties come into picture. At Balaji University, the visiting faculties are eminent industrial stalwarts who have a rich experience of the industry and know what the industry requires of the student. And they play an active role in tailoring the curriculum for the students. In that way, the students are ready for the industry and know what the industry requires of the students. We also have a dedicated team of faculty in the research department, as research is also part of the studies at Balaji University, Pune. To summarize, Balaji University provides a holistic view of the industry and gives a bird's eye view of what the industry requires, and is very much holistic in terms of what the subjects are covered and the students are prepared for the industry. Thank you.